And the idea is summarized here in this paper. Nutrition has a major impact on gut microbiota, and there is a gut microbiota signature of aging and longevity. And the idea is that from 22 to 109, the core microbiota, the bacteria present in the core microbiota decrease, but the subdominant species increase. So there is a core microbiota shrinkage and the acquisition of new type of bacteria, subdominant fractions. And in particular, they are related to Akkermansia and Christenselenacea from 22 to 109. And this is one of the last paper, elevated gut microbiome abundance of Christenselenacea is associated with reduced visceral adipose tissue, healthier metabolic profile.
Hey, would you like to know how to use food as medicine for your genes? Get access to my free webinar using the link in the video description. I hope you enjoyed the webinar, and if you do, please make sure to comment and share.